guys, welcome back to Stop and Watch. Thanks for stopping on by. Today I'm actually going to show you how you use one of these basic spring bar tools, and this is the tool that you use to remove the little spring bar pins that hold on your strap or your band or bracelet. There's usually just a little notch in these here, and you're going to use this tool to be able to take it out. So be delicate, don't use a screwdriver. In the past I've used a screwdriver and actually damaged the watch, or I've scratched it right here. These tools are much more equipped for taking the leather straps on and off your watch. So the first thing you want to do is get one of these tools. You can get them on eBay, you can get them from Walmart. They're pretty cheap. They're usually just a few dollars, but this is an essential tool, especially if you collect a lot of watches. You're then going to place it. You can pull the strap a little bit just so that you can see the gap, and then you're going to place this right over the top of the bar. Make sure it's on there nice and tight, and you're going to move it to the, you're going to pull it towards you. Sorry that it's not zooming in. Pull it towards you, and you should be able to feel it as the spring retracts. And then there you go. It's that simple. It pulls it off. And then there's multiple reasons why you might take this off. You may have a damaged strap. You may be just replacing it for one that's a different color. But just to give you a little bit of a closer look, you can see here on the spring that this goes right around it, and then you can move the spring in and out. So that's the mechanism that actually gets it in and out of your the part on your watch that holds it in there. You can get straps nowadays where you can do this just with your finger. It's got like a quick release here, and you can pull that back and it will actually just pull out nice and easy. But most watches don't come with those. There's usually aftermarket bands that have the quick release. So in order to put it back in, it's going to basically be the same process but just reversed. So you find the hole on the watch, you're going to place that in there just so that it's in place, and then excuse me, once that's in place, now you're going to use the spring bar tool to pull the spring back to then get it back in place. And it might take a few tries. Okay, we'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, once you got it in place, pull the spring back with the tool again. You line it up, and then you'll feel it click in place. Then once it clicks back in place, give it a little tug just to make sure that it is fully locked in. Don't tug it too hard to damage the watch strap, but that's all there is to it. So these spring bar tools, essential for anyone who is going to be changing out their own straps on their watch. It's nice and easy. Just make sure that you don't scratch or damage any of the watch when you're doing it, because the ends of these spring bar tools are usually a little bit sharp. So just be careful when you do it. Anyway, if that helped you out, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like. I love doing these how-to videos because there's not that many of them out there when I search for them. So putting it out there just to help you guys out. Once again, guys, I appreciate you watching, and thanks for stopping on by. Peace.